Good morning student. Today we are going to start our 6th chapter of class 4 EVS, care of trees and plants. We should care trees and plants because they are very necessary for us, for every living creature, because if they will finish, we also will finish. So we should care of trees and plants, and this is lesson about trees and plants. So we study of it and enjoy the lesson. We see different types of trees and plants around us, and some trees and plants grow on their own, some are grown by us. Trees are big and plants are small. What is the difference between plants and trees? Trees are big in size and plants are small. So we all know कि पेड़ किसको बोलेंगे? जो बहुत बड़े होंगे, और प्लांट किसको बोलेंगे? जिनकी साइज छोटी होगी. जैसे वेजिटेबल्स है, फ्रूट्स है, इनके पेड़ एज कंपेयर छोटे होते हैं, पौधे बोलते हैं प्लांट्स, और पेड़ बड़े होंगे. फंक्शन ऑफ रूट्स. Trees have a main 3 parts: roots, stem and leaves. So what is the usage of what is the work of roots? And it's necessary to all the trees and plants to have roots. Without roots they will never survive. Some parts of trees and plants are below the ground and some are above the ground. The parts of trees and plants underneath the ground is called roots. जो पार्ट पेड़ के अंडर की साइड होता है, जो हमें नज़र नहीं आता है, ज़मीन से अंदर की ओर होता है, वो क्या होता है? उनकी रूट्स होती है, उनकी जड़ें होती है. ठीक है. एक मकान को भी बनाने के लिए पहले उसकी नींव ज़रूरी है, क्योंकि नींव जितनी हार्ड होगी, जितनी मजबूत होगी, मकान उतना ही लंबे समय तक टिकेगा. तो वैसे ही सेम प्रोसेस किस में होती है? पेड़ों में. उनकी जितनी जड़ें मजबूत होगी, गहरी होगी, वो उतना सर्वाइव कर पाएंगे. सो रूट्स कीप द ट्रीज एंड प्लांट्स फर्म ऑन द ग्राउंड. रूट्स का बहुत, जिस तरह से मकान के लिए नींव की जरूरत है, वैसे ही रूट कार्य करती है. अब्सॉर्ब वाटर एंड सॉल्ट फ्रॉम द सॉइल बिकॉज ऑफ विच प्लांट्स आर एबल टू मेक देयर फूड. जड़ों का, रूट्स का मेन काम क्या होता है कि वो पूरे पेड़ को लीव्स तक जो भी उनको जरूरी मटेरियल चाहिए होता है, वो उनको प्रोवाइड करवाती है. टेक अ बाउल, ठीक है, एंड 2 spoon of water in it, okay, and then carefully make a chalk stand in it. Keep watching for some time. What do you see? The chalk is absorbing water. In the same manner, root absorb water and nutrients element with which plant make their own food. जैसे अपन पानी में चौक डालेंगे और चौक क्या होगा? जो भी पानी डालेंगे उसको सबको ऑब्जर्व कर लेगी. वैसे ही रूट्स क्या करती है? जमीन के अंदर जो मिट्टी में जो भी उनको जरूरी न्यूट्रिएंट्स होते हैं, जो भी वाटर होता है, तो वो सब ऑब्जर्व करती है और फिर उसको स्टेम के सहारे पूरे पेड़ तक पहुंचाती है, जिससे कि पेड़ क्या कर सके? अपना खुद का भोजन बना सके. तभी तो फल फूल लगेंगे पेड़ के, जब उसे कुछ मिलेगा. कुछ खाएंगे नहीं तो बड़े कैसे होंगे? वैसे ही पेड़ों को भी खाने पीने की चीज़ें कहाँ से मिलती है? जड़ों से, क्योंकि जड़ें अंदर रहती है और वो अंदर से सारा कुछ ले लेती है और फिर उसकी लीव्स तक उसको पहुँचाती है. डेजर्ट टी यानी कि जो ट्री रेत में उगता है, और वो कौन होता है? खेजड़ी. हिंदी में हम उसको खेजड़ी बोलेंगे. एंड बनियान ट्री, बरगद का पेड़. खेजड़ी ट्री अवर स्टेट ट्री है. राजस्थान स्टेट ट्री इज खेजड़ी, एंड banyan tree is our national tree. Okay. Khejri is our state tree. Its roots go very deep, search for water and observe it. क्योंकि रेगिस्तान जहाँ रेत ही रेत होता है वहाँ पे पानी बहुत कम होता है, तो उनकी रूट्स बहुत लॉन्ग होती है. खेजरी ट्रीज रूट्स आर वेरी लॉन्ग टू सर्च वाटर. सो and banyan tree is our national tree. The roots of banyan tree exit outside the ground also. They hang from the branches of the banyan tree. While growing they extend further to reach the soil, go inside the ground. You all see the banyan trees roots are outside. We easily can see the roots of banyan tree. We don't see other plants and other trees roots, but banyan trees roots are outside and also inside. Desert plants, roots of cactus, snake plants, etc. fully absorb in a small amount of rainwater. Its grass is growing. What is, and if I ask you that what's type of plants growing in the desert, so the plant name is cactus, snake plant and khejri. If grass is growing in our surroundings, then try to pull it from its root. Did the grass come out easily? We all know if we pull out the grass plant, they pull out easily. But if I ask you the pull out the neem big trees, so you can't. So it's all depended on their roots, because their roots are smooth and not heavy, so we easily pull out. Now you must have understood the roots help in keeping the plant strongly grounded. Take care to fix the pulled grass back into the soil. In a similar way, try to pull out a wilted plant with its roots and observe its roots. Try to draw a picture of roots in your copy. Okay? So that is the picture of roots you draw in your copy. Okay? Think and tell, which trees and plants roots have you seen? I already say you that banyan trees roots we can easily see. If we do not water the roots of plants growing in our homes inside it leaves with wet cotton every day, then what will happen to the plant and why? The plant will destroy, the plant will dry, because the main process for the roots to absorb water. If we only water on the plant's leaves, then that will no any process of making leaf alive. So if we only water the leaves of the plants, then the plant will not survive. इजीली समझते हैं कि अगर अपन जैसे अपने घर में प्लांट है, कोई पौधा है, उसको अगर आप सिर्फ पत्तियों को गीला कर रहे हो डेली किसी वेट कॉटन से और उसको पानी नहीं दे रहे हो, तो अगर जड़ों में अगर उसकी रूट्स में पानी नहीं पहुंचेगा तो उसकी स्टेम और उसकी ब्रांचेस और उसकी लीव्स के अंदर पानी नहीं पहुंचेगा. सो दे विल, अगर जड़ें अगर स्ट्रॉन्ग नहीं होगी, उसको पानी नहीं मिलेगा, उनको जो चीज़ें चाहिए वो नहीं मिलेगी, तो फिर पौधा मर जाएगा और वो सूख जाएगा. Why are the roots of trees spread under the ground? For searching water, salt and regarding material. So roots surrounding underneath the ground. Do the hanging roots of banyan tree on reaching the ground function like other roots? Yes. Banyan roots already have big roots in underneath the ground and then open on the ground. Stem of the trees and plants. Stem is the main part of trees. because without our ribs we can't stand straight. So if a tree stand straight, so they need a stem, and for this stem is a very necessary part. Above the ground, the main part of trees and plants is the stem. On the trunk grow the branches, and on the branches grow leaves, flowers and fruits. Observe and tell. Have you looked at trunks of trees around you? Yes, banyan tree, neem tree and peepal tree, they have big stem, and big stem called trunk. Okay. Which part of tree is seen moving the most when wind blows? Leaves and branches moving, because stem doesn't move, because they that is very strongly stand and roots are under the ground. So only branches and leaves moving when wind blow. What is the surface of the trunk like, smooth or rough or something else? The stem is rough. We can't surface on the stem, we can't head smoothly because their stem is very rough. Branches emerge from trunks in different trees. From which other parts are the branches arising? If normal size trees have stem, normal stem, big stem, and the big trees have big stem, strong stem, they call trunk. In your notebook, draw a picture of one tree among all the trees you have observed and make trunk, branches and leaves. Okay, so you all draw the tree with their stem, branches and their leaves. Okay, stem of many plants are soft. Okay, stem in many plants are soft and many plants are very strong. You must have seen the creepers and climbers of many vegetables and fruits. The stem is so soft that the plant cannot stand straight. Tendrils arise from these stems. These tendrils curl around and cling to something solid like electricity pole, wall, stick or branches. Stems receive support due to their curling around. So if plants have no stems, then they help the wall, the electricity pole, stick and any woods. So with the help of them they will go along. Okay, बिकॉज जो बेल होती है उनकी स्टेम बहुत सॉफ्ट होती है, कैसे भी वो मुड़ जाती है, तो उनको सरवाइव करने के लिए किसी ना किसी की हेल्प चाहिए होती है, जिसके लिए अपन या तो उसमें लकड़ी बना देंगे या फिर वो किसी अपने दीवार के सहारे ऊपर उठ जाएगी या फिर इलेक्ट्रिसिटी पोल पे लपेटती हुई ऊपर उठेगी, क्योंकि उनकी ये जो क्लाइंबर्स होते हैं ये बहुत सॉफ्ट होती है इसलिए. ओके, सो स्टेम अगर सॉफ्ट नहीं होगी, हार्ड होगी, तो पेड़ अपने आप खड़ा हो जाएगा और उसकी ब्रांचेस, लीव्स सभी उसके ऊपर रहेगी. लेकिन अगर उसकी स्टेम ही मजबूत नहीं है, सॉफ्ट है, तो फिर उसको किसी ना किसी की हेल्प की ज़रूरत पड़ेगी. स्टेम एज अवर फूड. In your previous class, you understood that we eat leaves of some plants like spinach, coriander. Similarly, stems of some plants are taken as food. See the pictures shown below. Identify them and write their names in your copy. Okay? There are some pictures of. Okay? So, what is this? This is a potato. Okay, this is a ginger and this is a sugar cane. Okay, so we eat their stem. Stem is a part of potato. Potato is a part of stem of the plant. Okay. Now, trees, our friends. Roots, leaves, flowers, fruits of many trees and plants are used as medicine. We know lemon, neem leaves, tulsi. We use as our medicine also. Wood is also obtained from the trunk of big trees. Trees and plants purify the air and they also control land erosion of land. Okay, land erosion मतलब होता है जब इन बारिश के टाइम में मिट्टी सारी जो यूजफुल होती है सॉइल वो बह जाती है, लेकिन अगर बहुत सारे पेड़ होंगे तो वो उसको कंट्रोल करेंगे, उसको बहने से रोकेंगे. तो ट्रीज और प्लांट्स का हमारी लाइफ में बहुत इम्पोर्टेंस है. एयर को प्योरीफाई करता है और हमें लकड़ियाँ मिलती है. तो इससे रिलेटेड एक क्वेश्चन है. यू ऑल सी what uses of trees and plants for us. So there are many useful of trees and plants. Some I write on the blackboard. Trees provide shade and shelter, fuel for cooking, timber for construction, fruits and food, and clean the air. So there are some uses of trees and plants. You do in your notebook. In your house, which things are made of woods? You all know. You all try to introduce what things made with woods, and you write their names in your notebook. Wood can be used for which other work? For making construction work and bed, windows. We use many types of woods in our house. Okay. In open lands where there are lesser trees and plants, why does the soil erosion take place more in these lands during rainy season? इसका रीजन मैंने बता दिया. If there are less tree, then erosion will fast, and if there are many trees, they control the erosion. Okay. Of what uses are trees and plants for us? This question answer is already on blackboard. What advantage of trees and plants offer to living organisms? Where there are many advantages. They give us oxygen and control the carbon dioxide. So very advantage of plants and trees. Write the name of trees and plants found around you in your notebook. Okay. Next exercise, I show you some example and then you write with your own. What around you? That means what fruits be around you? Fruits like bananas. Okay. Or and orange. Then around you just think that in garden, in the house garden, what types of fruits you see, and then write their name. And vegetables like ladyfinger and what, potato, tomato, like that you write their vegetables name. Grain, which type of grain we eat, and pulses bearing. So grain in our around like corn, barley, wheat, rice, oats, and pulses bearing green gram, dew gram, black eyes beans and मसूर. सो इस तरह से आपको इनमें फिल करना है और ऑप्शन को भरने हैं। नाउ इट द नेक्स्ट, राइट द नेम्स ऑफ फ्रूट्स, फ्लावर, लीव्स ऑफ प्लांट्स यूज्ड एज होम रेमेडीज, जो दवाइयों के रूप में काम में आती है। तो फ्रूट्स कौन से काम आते हैं? लेमन्स, एप्पल्स, ऑरेंज, बनानास। एंड फ्लावर में रोज, हॉप्स, वेलेरियन एंड गेरो, लाइक दिस। लीव्स में नीम, तुलसी, मैरीगोल्ड एंड पेपरमिंट। ओके, सो you all filling the block in your book. Now the next is observe the picture below. In some people have adopted some method to save trees. In agricultural work, a farmer used for this to save animals of their fields, and in school ground like this tree guard we use for guard our trees and crops covered with net. The expensive crops like afim and other, these types of net used for the guarding of field. So these are the protection of, and why is protection of trees and plants important? Why? So it's question, the answer, trees give us oxygen, store carbon, stabilize the soil and give life to the world's wildlife, so they are important for living. So we should keep protection of trees and plants. What things are done in your surroundings to protect them? In houses, garden, people use for tree guard and make a net on the trees. So there are some protection which help to save trees and plants. Care of trees and plants. One day tree plantation work was going on in Sima's and Ranjit's school. From the nearby nursery, the gardener uncle was invited to provide information on trees and plants. Manohar noted his diary. In his diary, the things gardener uncle told them about taking care of plants. Gardener knows everything about the plantation and their gardening. So they told their students how to save our garden and how to guard our trees and plants. Come, let's read Manohar diary. We should give water and fertilizers to plants at certain time intervals, but we should not give too much water or else the plants will rot. We should do pruning and cutting in certain time gaps and discard the useless plants. Okay, so we read the Manohar's diary, in which diary the gardener told to the Manohar how to save the plants. If the plants is infested with pest and catches some disease, then after taking advice of some expert, pesticides and medicines should be sprinkled, and these days organized medicines are being made with cow's urine. And if you are planting in a pot, then the right proportion of soil and fertilizer should be kept. A hole should be made at the bottom of the pot. Okay, so these are some things which help to save the plants and protection of the plants. क्या करना है हमको? फर्टिलाइज़र यूज़ करना है, उसके साथ ही हमको उस प्लांट जिसको उगाया उसके साथ अगर अननेसेसरी कोई प्लांट्स उग गए हैं तो उनको हटाना है, उनको ज़्यादा पानी भी नहीं देना है और कम पानी भी नहीं देना, उनके हिसाब से थोड़ा थोड़ा पानी देना है। सो इस तरह से अपन उनको सेव कर सकते हैं। Why did gardener uncle ask to make a hole in the bottom of the pot? Why? Because the hole will help to for the plant to grow in the garden ground and take necessarily material in the soil. Why should rotten plant be removed? Because they are unnecessary plant and who received of the plants fertilizer and important material. So we should remove their unnecessary plants. Who must be growing plants and trees in a jungle? No, we don't go to growing the plants in the jungle, because with the help of birds, beak and wind, they will automatically growing. Who must be watering them in jungle? The rainy season, the leaves will help to growing the plants in the jungle. Trees and plants get infected with pests. How would people come to know about this? If we think that plants color will change and their leaves will be dry and other colored, so we know that the plants get infected and we should remove their infection with the help of pesticides and medicines. It is possible that answers of these questions are not available around you. In that case, talk to gardener around you and note them down in your notebook. Okay, what gardener said, which say already Manohar diary. We learned by this lesson, roots absorb water and nutrients from the ground. Because of the roots, trees and plants remain fixed in the ground. We eat the roots and stems of some trees and plants. Trees and plants are very useful for us. We should plant trees and plants around us and take care of them. Okay? So, बहुत सारे plants की हम जड़ों को खाते हैं, बहुत सारे plants को हम तनों को खाते हैं, स्टेम को खाते हैं, लेकिन वो हमें पता नहीं चलता है कि हम कब किसको यूज़ करें. जैसे पोटैटो खा रहे तो हम एक पोटैटो एक प्लांट का स्टेम है और उस स्टेम का यूज़ हम ईटिंग में कर रहे हैं. ओके, write two names of each of the following: roots that we eat and stems that we eat. So you write their names in the book. So roots that we eat, that onion, ginger, beets, we eat as their roots, and stem we eat potato, carrot, we use to eat their stems. Okay, so this is our lesson, students. I hope you understand. Thank you.